We start work at 9. We start work at 9. We start work at 9.
Let's start the meeting. Let's start the meeting. Let's start the meeting.
He started the car. He started the car. He started the car.
We want to start a business. We want to start a business. We want to start a business.
I started feeling better. I started feeling better. I started feeling better. The car started to move. The car started to move. The car started to move.
She started to look for a job. She started to look for a job. She started to look for a job.
The medicine started to work. The medicine started to work. The medicine started to work.
The baby is starting to walk. The baby is starting to walk. The baby is starting to walk.
I'm starting to save money. I'm starting to save money. I'm starting to save money.
We started by introducing ourselves. We started by introducing ourselves. We started by introducing ourselves.
You should start by writing an outline. You should start by writing an outline. You should start by writing an outline.
You can start by trying it yourself. You can start by trying it yourself. You can start by trying it yourself.
You can start by setting a clear goal. You can start by setting a clear goal. You can start by setting a clear goal.
You can start by turning off the power. You can start by turning off the power. You can start by turning off the power.
Let's start with a warm-up. Let's start with a warm-up. Let's start with a warm-up.
He started with no experience. He started with no experience. He started with no experience.
She started with a simple idea. She started with a simple idea. She started with a simple idea.
The book starts with a short story. The book starts with a short story. The book starts with a short story.
We can start with your main concern. We can start with your main concern. We can start with your main concern.
I'm going to start work early. I'm going to start work early. I'm going to start work early.
I'm going to start a strict diet. I'm going to start a strict diet. I'm going to start a strict diet.
She's going to start a new job next week. She's going to start a new job next week. She's going to start a new job next week.
We're going to start saving money. We're going to start saving money. We're going to start saving money.
He's going to start working from home. He's going to start working from home. He's going to start working from home.
She has started a new course. She has started a new course. She has started a new course.
I've started exercising regularly. I've started exercising regularly. I've started exercising regularly.
The team has started the next phase. The team has started the next phase. The team has started the next phase.
They've started preparing for the trip. They've started preparing for the trip. They've started preparing for the trip.
The weather has started to cool down. The weather has started to cool down. The weather has started to cool down.
I'm starting to get sleepy. I'm starting to get sleepy. I'm starting to get sleepy.
She's starting to get impatient. She's starting to get impatient. She's starting to get impatient.
Things are starting to get better. Things are starting to get better. Things are starting to get better.
The traffic is starting to get heavy. The traffic is starting to get heavy. The traffic is starting to get heavy.
Things are starting to get complicated. Things are starting to get complicated. Things are starting to get complicated.
Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started.
Let's get started on the next task. Let's get started on the next task. Let's get started on the next task.
I'll get started on your order. I'll get started on your order. I'll get started on your order.
We can get started on the paperwork. We can get started on the paperwork. We can get started on the paperwork.
We need to get started on our new project. We need to get started on our new project. We need to get started on our new project.
It's time to start the lesson. It's time to start the lesson. It's time to start the lesson.
It's time to start a new chapter. It's time to start a new chapter. It's time to start a new chapter.
It's time to start the presentation. It's time to start the presentation. It's time to start the presentation.
It's time to start preparing for the exam. It's time to start preparing for the exam. It's time to start preparing for the exam.
It's time to start thinking about the future. It's time to start thinking about the future. It's time to start thinking about the future.
I'm about to call her. I'm about to call her. I'm about to call her.
They're about to arrive. They're about to arrive. They're about to arrive.
My phone is about to die. My phone is about to die. My phone is about to die.
The store is about to close. The store is about to close. The store is about to close.
The food is about to be ready. The food is about to be ready. The food is about to be ready.